How to cancel Cash App approval. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can cancel a Cash App approval, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can only cancel a pending order before they are placed. If there is an order or a specific transaction that you've already approved, you cannot cancel that transaction, so just keep that in mind. But if it is still pending, then you can choose to cancel it. Now to do this, all you have to do is simply open Cash App on your phone. Once you launch the Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface where you want to make sure that you're signed into the account. Then you want to just tap the activity icon from the bottom right, and then if you scroll down here, you'll most likely find the activities that are still pending, and you'll find the cancel button on the pending stock purchase or whatever else it is. Once you tap on the cancel button, your Cash App approval is going to be successfully cancelled, as you'd be able to see. And that's it on how you can cancel your Cash App approval. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.